Hey everybody, Monday morning, August 26th. Let's look at the Astro Excel for the week ahead. We are peaking out here Monday the 26th. We max out on the green line, just short of the plus 30 area, sometime around 1400 this afternoon. That is going to flatten out. And as we get into Monday evening, the green line is going to start to push down, and it's really pushing all the way down to the end of the week where it bottoms out after the close Friday afternoon at 1600. So that the graph is pretty clear cut this week, not a lot of up and down movement. We've got an extreme here on the blue line at 1 a.m. on Tuesday morning. We get a couple of bumps to the 10 line, 8 a.m. and 2000 Tuesday. Wednesday, we've got a big spike low down around minus 23 at 5 a.m. and a spike high at 1300 on Wednesday. Barely touched the minus 10 line here at 4 a.m. Thursday, and then one more late touch Friday around 1400. So that's the look at the Astro Excel pressure for the coming week.